everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I'm reviewing this wig I got from Elva Hair. This is my second time working with them. They sent me this cute little short curly wig with the streaks. It's so cute and casual. If you guys want to see me install this wig and see everything that comes in it, please continue to watch. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there, so you can participate in all of my polls, question and answers, and all those other things that I do on Instagram. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get started. So this is the box. You'll get some wig caps, elastic band, comb, a little card, and your wig. Let's take the cap off. Ooh, these curls are looking good. Oh, look how good. These curls look so juicy. Ooh. And so we already have a part going on here. And we got our streaks. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. Oh, it looks so good. All right, so this is what the inside looks like. We got our traditional 4 clips inside with the adjustable straps on the end. It does look a little bit pre-plucked, maybe a little bit. It feels so soft. It feels so soft, you guys. But I'm just going to install this real quick. Oh, it also has the lace at the bottom as well, as you guys can see, if you want to wear your hair up, I guess. But I'm just going to fast forward me installing this wig real quick, and then I'll be right back. So as I let my edges sit, I'm just going to play with this hair a little bit. It feels so good, you guys. This hair feels so good. I'm gonna throw some mousse in it. Just want to comb out the curls a little bit. It feels so good. It feels so good. All right, so I'm gonna take some of this mousse I got from the dollar store and put some in my hair. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna make a mess. I'm gonna make a goddamn mess. Let's just push it through. I can feel this mousse sizzling in my ear like the Rice Krispie treat cereal. Cute. Oh, this is cute. I'm gonna take this wrap off. All right, so what are we working with? A little bit of crust per usual. This is the finished product. I think it's a really cute style. I think it's really good for the summer because it's like breathable. It's like not really sitting on your shoulders, so you can get a little breeze going in there. I really like the streaks in the front. It's still very cute and just like effortless. It's easy, low maintenance, super cute. And I did put a lot of mousse in it, so I think it's gonna get like a little crunchy. It's definitely the streaks for me. But yeah, so this wig is from Elva Hair. I will have all the details to this wig in the description box below. Thank you for coming to my channel. If you like this wig, give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you guys can follow me there. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.